Hello students, in my previous videos I explained how to find log and antilog of a number. In this video I'll explain some calculations involving log and antilog. Calculation start करने से पहले बेटे आपको कुछ important points याद रखने हैं which we require for log and antilog values. Log हमारे पास log table two types के हैं. One is called natural log. For that we write ln, and other is common log, the log tables which are available to us at the level of +1 and +2 for physics and chemistry. They are log to the base 10. Clear? But in some formulas in chemistry we are using natural log and then we are converting it to the log to the base 10. So what is that formula? Natural log. If you have to convert natural log to the log to the base 10, we have to multiply it with 2.303. You are not to go for details. इसकी details जानने की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं है. Here you have to remember only the formula that natural log of a number is equal to 2.303 log to the base 10 of that number. Clear? And along with that, we have some important formulas. They are other two things which you have to keep in mind, that log 10 to the base 10, that is equal to 1, and log 1 to the base 10, that is equal to 0. Clear? These 2 points you will keep in mind. From there I'll write log for other numbers. Then few formulas are there. Log AB is equal to log A plus log B. Means product of two numbers is there. So we can write them as equal to log of A plus log of B. Similarly, for division, log A divided by B is equal to log A minus log B. Then log A raised to power x, that is equal to x log A. X comes forward. Then log A raised to power 1 over x, similar to our 1 over x log A. Clear? These formulas always very simple, very easy to remember. Product of two numbers, that is equal to log A plus log B. Division, in case of division it is log A minus log B. Log A raised to power x is equal to x log A. Log A raised to 1 over x is equal to 1 over x log A. Clear? Let us start with some few examples. Suppose we are to solve log 0.001 divided by 0.0001. There are two ways. Either we can simply take this as A and this as B and write log A minus log B, or first we solve this factor. Clear? After that we take the log. So that becomes easier if we solve this factor first. So it will be equal to log 1 over 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. 10 to power 3 divided by 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 to power 4 is equal to log 1 over 10 to power 3 into 10 to power 4 ऊपर आ जाएगा over 1. So it will be equal to log 10, and I have told you that log 10 that is equal to 1. So this is our answer. Clear? So the solution has become very easy because you remember the value of log 10, that is equal to 1. Clear? Let us do one more. Suppose log n is equal to A and we are to find the value of n. Means we are to cancel log. Earlier also I told you that antilog is inverse of log. So if we take antilog of both sides, एंटी लॉग एंड लॉग विल कैंसिल, यू आर लेफ्ट विद ओनली n, खाली n बच जाएगा एंड इज इक्वल टू एंटी लॉग ऑफ a। क्लियर? क्योंकि हम दोनों साइड का एंटी लॉग ले रहे हैं, इस साइड का एंटी लॉग लॉग के साथ कैंसिल हो गया, n बच गया, इस साइड का आ गया एंटी लॉग a। सो लेट अस सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन नाउ। log k इज इक्वल टू 15.6 and find k. What we'll do? We will take anti-log of both sides. So anti-log of log k is equal to anti-log of 15.6. So k is equal to anti-log of 15.6. How to see anti-log? I have already explained. This factor that becomes the power 10 raised to power 15. Clear? Because it explains the position of decimal. So write 10 raised to power 15 into, we have to see anti-log of this 0.6, anti-log of 0.6. So 0.6 means 0.60. तो हमारे पास दो टेबल्स हैं, log and anti-log. We will take anti-log table 0.60, that is 3981. Clear? So we'll write 3981 and put the decimal after one digit. Clear? So this will be the answer. So if you want to again know the details how to find on anti-log and log, you can see my videos which have been in which I have explained about log and anti-log of different numbers. Next question is, a cube is 70.15, find a. क्यूब रूट निकालना अदरवाइज मुश्किल होता है, बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ लॉग टेबल्स इट बिकम्स वेरी इजी. सो ए क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 70.15. हाउ टू फाइंड ए? फॉर दिस वी आर टू टेक क्यूब रूट ऑफ बोथ sides. Clear? So cube will be cancelling with cube root is equal to 70.15 cube. So it will be a is equal to 70.15 cube root. Clear? So cube root, with the help of log it will become very easy. Take log of both sides. Take log of both sides. Log a will become equal to, now we will use the formula log a raised to power x is equal to x log a. So log of this, log of 70.15 cube root will be equal to log a is equal to 1 by 3 log 70.15. Now we will see the log of 70.15. It will be 1 by 3 into 2 digits are there. So to the left of decimal we write characteristic which is 1 less than the number of digits. 2 digits हैं उसमें से एक माइनस करके we will write 1 point. उसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट पार्ट के लिए क्या करेंगे, पूरे नंबर को लेंगे, उसके फर्स्ट 2 डिजिट्स वाली रो फर्स्ट कॉलम में देखेंगे. सो विल सी द लॉग ऑफ 70 इन फर्स्ट कॉलम. इट इज 8457. नेक्स्ट डिजिट क्या है, 5. अब हम मीन डिफरेंस वाले ब्लॉक में जाएंगे, 5 के अंडर देखेंगे, इट इज 3. So we will add this number to this. So it will be 8460. So if we divide, it will become 0.36 are 18, 3 1s are 3 5s are 15, 3 0.6153. this is the value of log A. Log A is equal to 0.6153. Now we have to find the A. So A is equal to anti-log of 0.6153. Clear? So 0.6153 का एंटीलॉग देखेंगे. 0.61 का एंटीलॉग फिफ्थ कॉलम में 0.61 एंटीलॉग फिफ्थ कॉलम में 4121. उसके बाद फोर्थ डिजिट 3 है. अब हम मीन डिफरेंस वाले कॉलम में जाएंगे. उसी रो में 0.61 वाली रो में मीन डिफरेंस वाले कॉलम में थर्ड के अंडर देखेंगे देयर इज 3. सो वी विल ऐड दिस 3. सो इट विल बी 4124 and put the decimal after one digit. Clear? So answer will be A will be equal to 4.124. Clear? Let us do one more. Log 0.130 divided by 10 to the power minus 4 square. Solve it. पहले भी मैंने आपको बताया कि we can simplify this as much as we can do. So let us, before taking the log, let us solve the factor log 0.130 divided by 10 to power minus 8. और इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? log 0.130 into 10 to power 8. Or I can also write log 1.30, डेसिमल इधर शिफ्ट कर दिया 1.30. जब डेसिमल राइट को शिफ्ट करते हैं तो पावर डिक्रीज हो जाती है. ये याद रखना आप सबने. डेसिमल लेफ्ट को शिफ्ट करें तो पावर इंक्रीज होती है. डेसिमल राइट को शिफ्ट करें तो पावर डिक्रीज होती है. सो जो लॉग 1.30 इंटू 10 टू पावर 7. अब ये हमारा A बन गया एंड B. दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट. क्लियर? सो फॉर्मूला कौन सा लगेगा? log A इंटू B इज इक्वल टू log A प्लस log B. सो हियर विल गेट log 1.30 plus log 10 to power 7 will be equal to log 1.30 plus, now it is a raised to power x. तो क्या बन जाता है? x आगे आ जाता है. we have 7 log 10. आगे और देखो, log 1.30 plus log 10 is equal to 1. So it will be 7. सिंप्लीफाई हो गया. अब हमारा इतना काम रह गया, log 1.30 देखना है. कैसे देखेंगे? पहले लेफ्ट साइड पे डिजिट देखेंगे. 1 डिजिट है तो हम यहाँ पे log देखते हुए क्या करते हैं, जो जितने नंबर ऑफ डिजिट होते हैं उसमें से 1 माइनस कर देते हैं. तो 1 minus 1 इट विल बी 0. अब राइट साइड का पार्ट देखने के लिए हम पूरा नंबर लेंगे. ठीक है? फर्स्ट 2 डिजिट्स वाली रो लेंगे, दैट इज 13th रो इन द लॉग टेबल. कौन से कॉलम में? 0 कॉलम में. 13th रो इन 0 कॉलम. इट इज 1139. सो 1139 प्लस 7. सो आंसर विल बी 7.1139. Clear? This is how we solve various numericals with the help of log table, or sometime we have to find the value of log. That also we can do with the help of log table. So I hope you have followed the points which I have explained, and this video will be useful for you. Thank you for watching.